You're up late trying to meet a deadline for work, and of course you want something sweet to get you through it. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with chocolate shortbread cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Set your timer for 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Chocolate dates back over 5,000 years and was derived from the cocoa bean and was first domesticated by indigenous tribes of southeast Ecuador. Those look great right out of the oven. These chocolate shortbread cookies have an amazing chocolate flavor, and I'm sure you will enjoy them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like you chose the perfect snack just before retiring for the evening. Stay with us, watch the next video.